Hey guys, here I am again for the fifth time today. It's Saturday morning, not even 8:30 in the morning yet, and this is my fifth video. So I've been up a little while. This time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 70 Cougar. It's now an AM-FM 8 track. This comes from my friends at Classic Auto Repair in Blaine, Minnesota. It's for Blake, and Blake has requested just the FM conversion with no extra bells and whistles. Wired to the original connectors, so it's still a 2-speaker radio. So let's go ahead and run it through its paces before we send it back. I got it set to AM at the moment, the one strong station I get in my area.
Specifically, she asked, what do I do in the winter?
Okay, demonstrate our balance control. Original balance control.
Go dry as long as the plant is moist.
Left.
So an insider tip.
Right.
This is Ken and Lisa. We're just your friends, neighbors.
Left.
This is working for us.
Right.
We have 50 pots.
Okay, I'm going to center them.
So if we hear a real cold snap's coming, oh my gosh.
Okay, so now we're going to go to FM, which on this unit we do by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Everywhere. From FJC, I found a
testimony we give people when we tell them and download the free app.
Good morning, kiddo.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
It's a star-spangled world.
Blank spot there.
Yeah, that means wake up and live. Oh, yes, you know, you don't ever dabble, honey.
Okay, pull the tape out, radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on, which you won't be able to see it, but I can. Oh yeah, you can see it. You can see it coming on through the spaces between the buttons. So that takes care of that. She's ready to go back. This is probably my last video today. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from the home page of that website, about halfway down, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because those questions are all answered in the work order as you're filling it out. And then that way, if you need to call me, it's just for a quick last-minute question or just to get to talk to me for a couple minutes, to get to know me and trust me. That's perfectly understandable. But please do have a work order printed before calling me. After that, I'm very happy to talk to you. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you to my friends at Classic Auto Repair, clear up in Blaine, Minnesota, for your business, and we'll see you next time.